there! Let's set up your printer with your tablet in the Slimrate system. First, make sure your printer is plugged into a power outlet and connected to the tablet with a USB cable. Check that the printer's power button is switched on. Next, log into the system using this tablet that's connected to your printer. You'll see the register screen open. In the bottom left corner, tap the button with 3 lines to open the main menu. Select Settings. At the top, find the Printers section. Tap the plus icon to add a new printer. Now, choose the type of printer. Receipt printer for printing customer receipts at the register. Kitchen printer for sending orders directly to the kitchen. Label printer for printing price tags and labels. Keep in mind, you'll need a special type of printer for this. And Andra bar for bar stations if you have one. After you select the printer type, give your printer a name that makes sense for your team. Then tap Add Printer. Your printer is now added. Tap on the new printer icon and on the right, tap Connect Printer. Select your connected printer from the list and confirm the connection. To test if everything works, tap Test Print. The printer should print out a slip with the words Test Print. If it prints correctly, you're all set. Your printer is now connected and ready to use. Now you know how to add and connect a printer to your tablet in the Slimrate system. Thanks for watching and see you in the next videos.